Hello, welcome to my minors tutorial. I hope you had a wonderful time. Today, we shall be looking at problems involving trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a study in mathematics that relates the side of a triangle and the angles in a triangle. Trigonometry is the study in mathematics that relates the sides of a triangle with the angles in a triangle. Of course, we have a problem on the board, and it says find the value of x and h in the right triangle below. We have a right triangle with side AB given as 10, side BC given as x, and side AC given as h. We are asked to find the unknown x and h. To be able to solve this kind of problem, the angles that are given determines which side is the opposite, which side is the adjacent, and the hypotenuse. Of course, the hypotenuse is the longest part of the triangle, and the part that is slopy, that part is constant. For this triangle and the problem, we have the angle C. The opposite of angle C is side AB, which is given as 10. Of course, that is the opposite, and the adjacent is side BC, which is the remaining part, and side H is constant, which is the hypotenuse. Of course, we generated a system. To tackle this, we have a system called SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. The meaning is this represents sine, while this is opposite. H is hypotenuse, C cosine, A adjacent, H hypotenuse. We have T as tangent, O opposite, and A finally are what? Adjacent. Of course, these are three trig functions. We have the sine, which is a trig function, equals to opposite over hypotenuse. This is opposite over hypotenuse. We have our cosine as adjacent over hypotenuse. We have finally the third one, which is tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay, so let's first of all find side BC, which is x. To find the side BC, which is x, and you are given one angle. So this angle determines the opposite and adjacent. Of course, we must involve one of the unknown. We are considering angle 51 degree, side AC, which is 10, and side BC, which is x. So to find that this is opposite over adjacent, remember hypotenuse is constant. So you come to the trig function. Which of the trig function involve opposite and adjacent? You check sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, no. Cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, no. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, and we are looking for opposite over adjacent. So we apply the trig function tangent. So we have tan 51 degrees equal to opposite, which is 10, over adjacent, which is x. So if you punch your calculator to find the value of tan 51 gives you 1.23. 1.23 equals 10 over x. You equate both to the fraction, then you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, x comes over to this other side of equality and multiplies 1.2. That's x times 1.23 equals to 1 times 10 is 10. To find the value of x, therefore, this crosses over the sign of equality and divides. So you have 10 over 1.23. You punch it, 10 divided by 1.23 will give you 8. So you have 8 as your value of x. Of course, we have successfully found the value of x. Now let's find the value of h. Okay, so remember, we have to involve this h, which is the unknown. We have been able to solve this. So since we are solving for h, we are considering opposite over hypotenuse. So we come to the trig function opposite. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. That's correct. So because we are considering opposite over hypotenuse. So therefore we come here and we write down sine 51 degrees. 51 degrees is equal to, opposite here is 10 over hypotenuse is unknown, which is h. So to solve this, you punch your calculator and find the value of sine 51. Sine 51 gives us 0.777 equals to 10 all over x. You equate both sides and you cross multiply. When you do that, you will have h multiplied by 0.77 equals to 1 times 10 gives you 10. So you further simplify, you have h equals to 10 divided by 0.777 because it was 37. So you punch your calculator, you have 10 divided by 0.777 gives you 12.8. So approximately it's 13. So our value of h is 13. So we have successfully found the value of x and our value of h in this question, applying the trig functions and taking note of the sides. So we have related the angles and the sides to find the values of the unknown x and h. I hope you found that interesting. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Math Minus Tutorials. Also my Facebook page at Math Minus Tutorials and my Instagram at Math Minus. Thank you. Till we meet again.